ലോകം മുഴുവൻ സുഖം പകരാനായി സ്നേഹദീപമേ മിഴി തുറക്കൂ. കദന നിവാരണ കനിവിന്നുറവേ കാട്ടിൻ നടുവിൽ വഴി തെളിക്കൂ. ലോകം മുഴുവൻ സുഖം പകരാനായി സ്നേഹദീപമേ മിഴി തുറക്കൂ.
Shivaya. Every year, the International Day of Peace is observed around the world on 21st September.
The purpose of celebrating this day is to strengthen the idea of peace among all nations and people. This year, our common enemy is a tireless virus that has thrown our world into turmoil. The United Nations Secretary General Antonio Guterres has expressed concern on the reports of violent clashes between India and China on line of actual control and urged both sides to exercise maximum restraint. But on the other hand, many countries have a friendly border. The common example is the Berlin Wall, which separates the East Germany from West Germany. In 1989, it was demolished by the citizens of Germany. The United States and Canada share the longest border in the world. The Haskell Library is a symbol of US-Canada friendship. Children's book collection can be accessed through the front door of the American Library, and adults' book collection can be accessed through the shelf in Canada. Parts of some towns on the border between the Netherlands and Belgium share a border with ancient buildings and churches. The bedrooms in some buildings are in Netherlands and the kitchen is in Belgium. The confluence of the borders of Thailand, Laos and Myanmar is known as the Golden Triangle. Two giant fish images across the borders of Poland and Ukraine. The tail of the first image lies on the territory of Poland, with its head on the Ukrainian territory. Bahrain and Saudi Arabia are connected by a 25-kilometer long King Fahd Sea Bridge. This bridge is an example of the deep friendship between the two countries. Slovakia, Austria, Hungary, at the junction of the three countries is a triangular table with 3 benches at 3 corners. Citizens of these 3 countries can sit at their borders and have tea with their neighbors. In this way, many countries are sharing peace with each other and some are fighting with each other. The way to avoid wars and to resolve disputes between nations through dialogue is to sow the seeds of world peace. On this day, let's work together for a peace world. Thank you.